Hey guys, welcome back to Skid Happens. Thank you so much for watching our first episode, and thank you so much for the feedback that we got on that video. We used as much of your feedback as possible, and we're sure you're going to enjoy the second video. In this video, we go to Slideways Karting in Brisbane, and then we also do our first skid pan of 2019, where we take you on board and show you exactly what it's like to be behind the steering wheel of our Toyota 86 at the skid pan. But before we get started on that, we've got an exciting announcement. 9 News Queensland has used us for their promotional video. Here it is.
We begin tonight with breaking news.
A split-second decision that will save your life.
We can't thank 9 News enough. We are so blessed to be a part of that. But without any more waiting, let's head on over to Slideways in Brisbane to watch us do a bit of karting for one of my mates' birthdays.
I may have made some illegal passes. It's under yellow conditions. That's fine.
Getting bumped by Jason.
Did you see my apology?
No, that's alright. Dude, that first red flag that I came behind you, I was flying down the hill and everybody had stopped. Filled up. Let's do this. On our way to the skid pan, first one of the year. What better way than spending your Sunday afternoon sideways on a skid pan, legal environment, no cops, no other cars, nothing to worry about, just have a bit of fun, learn a bit of car control. Looking forward to jumping back behind the steering wheel of this car, throwing it around the skid pan. We've got a new camera angle for you today, so keen to show you exactly what it looks like behind the steering wheel of the Toyota 86 around the skid pan. This Toyota 86 is hired out all the time to other drivers. In fact, we've got 2 today, so we'll actually show you a little bit of onboard footage of us teaching someone to slide a car around the skid pan, as well as me driving the vehicle myself and actually showing you what the car's capable of doing around the skid pan. We're just rocking up now at the skid pan. Looking forward to getting back at it. skid pan pro tip. Don't wear nice shoes. Show us some driving gloves, mate. Gardening gloves. It's got traction control, so in order to turn it off, you've got to hold that button down so you get 2 orange lights on the dash. There we go.
Oh, yes.
So when the 2 lights are on there, then you can actually slide the car. So we'll cruise around on the first lap, put it into second gear, and second gear is the gear we'll use the whole time.
Yeah.
Yep.
So have you done any sliding at all?
No, I'm
at all?
on the front wheel drive Focus.
Alright, and go into that corner just nice and slow.
Yep.
When you get to the corner, I want you to quarter steer in and then give it some power.
Okay.
What'll happen is the car will step out on you.
Yep.
When you feel it step out on you, just let go of the steering wheel and come off the power. That's all I want you to do.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
Quarter steer power, off. So remember the first instance, you should just off the steering, because what happened is you turn and then let go of it.
Yeah.
Yep. Quarter steer now and power. Off. Left and power. Off. Go left, power. Off. Stay off, stay off, stay off. Power, 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 power. Oh. Just a bit too much power there.
Too much.
So what happens is when you get back on the power to keep the slide going, you want to try and balance the power. And the way to do it is if you want more angle, give it more power. If you want less angle, give it less power. And when it comes to sliding a car, you're not trying to get everywhere as quickly as possible. It's all about flowing the car. You'll just quarter steer and power. Off. See how it's reliable? Get you sideways straight away. Quarter steer on the power. Off. Stay off. Power. Off. Stay off. Power. Off the power a little bit. Cool. Good job.
Oh, sweet.
So quarter steer and power. Off. Stay off. Power. Off. Power, 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 power. Good job, man.
Mate, just blinked it. Such grace. Such grace.
Mr. Reynolds,
Yes.
are you going to drive now?
Don't know if I'll call it driving, but we'll have a shot at it.
Do you want to introduce yourself?
Nick from MTR Images, also working with skid control. Normally behind the camera, about to jump in the car though. Yeah, I'd be scared too.
Looking forward to it?
This is going to be fun.
Sweet.
Right.
Show me what you got.
It's been forever since I've been on a skid pan, let
So
alone...
you've done it before? Oh, you don't have excuses then, mate?
I've had one go in an 86.
And?
The car was still straight at the end of it.
That's good to know. Not bad. Okay. Not too bad then. Not too bad.
There it goes.
So the biggest suggestion I can give you when it comes to the skid pan is always go into the corner slow, about like 25 k's an hour, and then use the power to get you sideways. Slow down, quarter steer, power.
Really?
Yeah. Then you'll always go sideways. Always, always, always go sideways. And mate, you can't work for skid control doing one-handed steering.
Oh, really?
2 hands on the steering, right?
What?
Learn to control the car. Go Mickey, go! Go Mickey, go! Go Mickey, go! Oh, come on. Oh, and then there's a spin.
There it is.
How does that make you feel?
Awesome.
You're not doing too bad, mate. You clearly spent a lot of time on the simulator.
I've spent a lot of time on the dirt.
Before he got behind the lens,
Yeah.
he used to be in front of it apparently.
Then left 4 crest, into right 3.
Good job, Mickey.
Yeah, thanks for that. That was good fun.
You can have a crack by yourself on the next one. When I'm not giving you pressure yet. Well, there it is. That was our second episode. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. A big thank you to Mick Reynolds from MTR Images for helping us out in filming the skid pan. The drone footage and the fancy footage was all courtesy of him. We've got some awesome content for you on the next one. We've got an exciting new project. Can't wait to show you guys that. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to our channel to keep up to date with everything. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and even on our website. And we'll see you at the track.